Imagine having a tool that helps you create AI agents capable of answering questions, scheduling appointments, or even handling customer support without writing a single line of code. That's what Voiceflow does. And today, I'll show you how to unlock its full potential. Let's start at the dashboard, the heart of everything in Voiceflow. Think of this as your control panel for building AI agents. Need to collaborate or scale up? Head over to Team and Billing to invite team members or upgrade your plan. In the Agents tab, you'll see your active projects and ready-made templates that can speed up your process. Looking for inspiration or shortcuts? The Templates section gives you pre-built frameworks, and in Settings, you can manage workspace details like renaming or deleting it. From here, you can import templates, start new builds, and invite your team, all with just a few clicks. Simple, right? Now let's dive into the agent's workspace and break it down. Knowledge base, this is where your agent gets its smarts. Upload files, add URLs, or input key text to give it the knowledge it needs. Workflows. Think of this as the brain of your agent. Here, you'll design how it interacts with users step by step. For now, we're starting from scratch, so we'll skip templates. Messages. These are the responses your agent delivers to users. Prompts. Need users to give specific inputs? Use prompts to guide them. Components. These are your agent's building blocks, and they help everything come together. Variables. Placeholders for storing key data, like usernames or preferences. Voiceflow doesn't just stop at building agents. It gives you all the tools to make them smarter and more useful. Integrations. Quickly embed your agent on a website or access the API key for advanced use cases. Transcripts and analytics. Track how your agent is performing and refine its capabilities over time. Settings. Modify IDs and tweak the agent to match your exact needs. Let's look at the Workflows interface where the real magic happens. Here you can connect blocks to shape how your agent responds. For example, Response AI generates replies to user queries. Set AI updates or assigns values to variables. Message sends simple responses to users. Prompt block guides users to input specific information. Image adds visuals to your agent. Card displays a mix of text, images, and titles. Carousels show multiple cards interactively, perfect for presenting options or products. Button provides clickable actions. Choice offers multiple options for user selection. Capture collects specific data like names or emails. Set assigns dynamic values to variables. Component reusable blocks for repetitive tasks. End marks the finish line of a workflow. Function handles advanced calculations. API connects to external services for extra functionality. JavaScript for custom coding when you need complete control. KB search allows the agent to pull answers from its knowledge base. Custom action creates tailored actions for unique needs. Once the building is done, it's time to test. Voiceflow's testing feature ensures everything works as intended before you hit publish. When you're ready, go live with just one click. Want others to try it? Share the link and watch your creation in action. That's the foundation of Voiceflow. In the next video, I'll show you how to build a customer support agent step by step, taking all these tools and turning them into something powerful. Don't miss it. Subscribe now, and let's keep building together.